What is going on YouTube? I'm really excited today, guys. We have something special on our cards today, guys. Wavesducks, guys. Real game, real NFT game straight from Waves, and I will show you how to verify that. I mean, this is just straight up amazing, okay? Really something cool, guys. A lot of you are into NFTs. I know it because you've been requesting me like crazy to drop some NFT related videos, and I'm here to do it, guys. I'm here to deliver those videos, you feel me? So yeah. Wavesducks, guys. Before we jump into the video, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor and that you should always do your own research and your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. With that being said, I can finally, introduce you to the game, show you the mechanics. We will also buy a duck today, and we will start making some money with it, because the game basically allows you to make your own duck farm, build your own duck empire, as it says here, right? And then with these ducks you can farm the eggs, and then you can sell the eggs, which are quite expensive, by the way, and they still have a lot of growth potential due to the small market cap and due to the fact that this is fully done. I mean, this is affiliated to Waves, right? So what is Wavesducks? Wavesducks is a game focused on collectible digital duck images in the NFT format. You can collect ducks and share them with other players, as well as breed ducks to get a unique, highly valuable item. And then we have Road to Duck Empire, so basically what you need to do in order to get started with the game. And I mean, maybe not to get started, but basically what is it all about? So you earn egg tokens in the game's runs or buy them, then you swap your eggs for Genesis ducks, you breed Genesis ducks to get a unique one, and then you buy and sell the NFT ducks in the secondary market, or you can keep them and collect passive income from duck farms. We will buy a duck today, and then we will buy also let me check how is it called again. Perch. We need to buy a perch for it in order to start using the duck, so that's what we will do. And yeah, then here is an actual tutorial how to start playing. Also, what is really cool is the possibility to get free eggs on their Telegram chat, guys. They have this Telegram chat with 30,000 members, and this is growing really rapidly. You can find the link on the website, probably in the description as well. So I wanted to let you know that you can get free ducks by completing some tasks, all that kind of stuff. They're doing this on a weekly basis on their Telegram, and that's a nice and cool way to get some of the tokens for free. If you want to test out the game and you don't want to spend your own money, you can try your luck and maybe you will get some freebies. They basically give you tasks such as, I don't know, making a TikTok video, making a tweet, really simple things for which you can earn some money. So this is really cool. You have a sample round here. Quote this tweet with a comment regarding your feelings about farming and possible dreams that could come true thanks to this passive income. Then you add your hashtags, as you can see, and your Waves exchange wallet address. Literally, tasks like that can get you some free eggs, okay? You can also buy them using the exchange, waves.exchange, obviously. And yeah, then you can see some of the statistics. As you can see, the most expensive duck ever is $14,874. You can check out the owner here by this link. So this is pretty cool. Ducks created today, 28, as you can see. This is the marketplace volume. It's growing quite nicely in my opinion, so this is definitely something to have a look at as well. Then we have an FAQ here, and as you can see, there is also some team members. We have Vladimir, Inal, Max, Alena, Dasha, Sergey, Konstantin, and Sasha. As you can see, some of the team members are based out of Russia here. Meet your wonderful team, which works hard to deliver your best play to earn NFT and DeFi experience with Wavesducks. And guys, this is, as I said, fully supported by Waves, and the way to check this is to, for example, go onto the Wavesducks Twitter, which I'm also following, and that's what I recommend you to do too, because they post some cool content here. As you can see, giveaways, again, $4,000 giveaway, guys. Like, you just go here, follow them on social media, you participate. It's really easy as that. So for example, we have Vladimir here, who is developer and Waves Association. As you can see, he tweeted about it, boom, just like that, Vladimir tweet. Then they retweeted, just so you can see that this is his real account. I will pull it up, as you can see, boom, just like that. Then going forward, you have some tweets from the actual Waves Twitter too. and up radar, as you can see. And basically, if you actually go to the waves.tech website, you can also see that the game is fully listed on this as well. So again, they are fully legitimate. The other way to kind of check it is going to Waves protocol Twitter, as you can see, and then they are retweeting the Wavesducks stuff. Also, if you go to waves.tech website, you can check out that they have this game listed here, Wavesduck Hunters, as you can see. So this is basically it, okay? So yeah, if you want to get started, you make the account on waves.exchange, or you log in with your current Waves Exchange account. So one account for the game and for the exchange, that's pretty convenient. And then you will be redirected into this dashboard, this portfolio as it is called, right? So once you have your DAC and once you have your perch, it will show you how much you are producing, how much referrals you have, what your referrals have earned, how much DACs you have, all that kind of stuff, right? So first of all, what you might need to do is get some X. You can, for example, go to CoinMarketCap, then check out that they are tradable on Waves, or just simply go ahead to Waves directly at waves.exchange, and then you can purchase some of those tokens. Currently they are only trading on Waves. As you can see, they will get expanded into some other exchanges too. And why I think that this has a lot of potential to grow up in value, particularly because of the market cap, $48 million market cap, guys. This is really small, super early stages of the game and of the project, so definitely there is a possibility for this to grow huge. On top of that, there is a rarity, right? There is a rarity of each DAC, and each of those DACs have different rarity, you know, so the value of them is different. There is also sterile and breedable DACs. Really cool mechanics are in this game, like, let me tell you that, okay? So they're really unique. And well, in order to hatch your own DAC, which is quite expensive, okay, I will show you the other way, which is cheaper. And if you want, if you have the budget to for example, spend 3.5 on your own DAC, you can go ahead and hatch it on your own too, okay? So as you can see, you are able to use your egg tokens to create a Genesis NFT DAC. You can now randomly get one of 4 DACs. One of them is Bogdanov, Chad, Harold, or Pepe on one of 4 different backgrounds. In the following weeks, the next types of Genesis DACs will be unlocked. So this is another cool part about the game, that they will be adding up more and more, you know, Genesis of those DACs. So those 4, for example, will be more rare now, I mean later than they are now, if you know what I mean. So yeah. First way is to hatch a DAC for a free 48 egg. In order to do it, you just click it and then you confirm the transaction, wait 3 minutes and you will get your own DAC. The second way, which we will use today, so I can show you how to do it for cheap, is to go into the marketplace. You have the marketplace here, and you can find a DAC that is interesting for you. So there is 2 different types of breeding, right? You have the DACs that can be breeded, and then you have the sterile DACs, okay? What's the difference, you might ask? So for example, if you have 2 breedable DACs, right, which, as you can see, the cheapest one is 174 waves, so it's, I mean, it's not bad, okay? It's still quite expensive, but they also show you production, okay? You need to have a look at production when you are purchasing your DAC, because that's how much it will give you in X per month, okay? So this is a really important aspect. You need to have a look at that when you are buying. When you have 2 breedable DACs, you can go to breeding, and then with those 2 DACs you can make 1 more DAC, which then will be sterile. So technically you will have 3 DACs, right? More production, but you know, this sterile one, you can't breed it far more, okay? So that's the deal right here. It even shows you that here, select 2 DACs to breed and get a new unique one. As a result of breeding, parent DACs will become sterile and won't be able to breed anymore. So the parents and yeah, they basically won't be breedable anymore. So yeah, that's the deal. You can do it if you want, but again, if you want to, for example, have only 1 DAC, then you can straight up buy the sterile one if you want, which are very cheap actually. So let me show you how it looks with the sterile ones. There is a lot of pages on the marketplace, as you can see. So cheapest ones start at like 7 waves, okay? It shows you that you cannot breed them because they are sterile, right? That's the deal here. it shows you the genesis, it shows you the rarity, and shows you the name. For example, we have Elon here, or Satoshi, right? And then the price. For example, this one is only 8 waves, okay? So this is cheap, but you need to have a look at this egg production. It produces 0.03 egg per month, which is like 30 bucks, I think. So so you can also check for the other ones, as you can see, and maybe we'll buy something more expensive so I can actually, you know, have some value from it later on. So let me check for maybe like 20-30 even waves. That would be cool with me. Let's see what we have here. 0.09, that's reasonable, but I think I saw one that is giving even more. Yeah, we can actually go with this one. Wait, this one, yeah. So we can buy Satoshi here, for example, 23 waves, that's the cost of it. You can also bid, right, because you open an auction. If you have your own DAC, you can try to sell it on an auction. But yeah, we will buy it directly. It will produce 0.09 egg per month if I put it in a perch, right? So I will be also getting passive income, and eventually the DAC will give me my money back. I think that I was inactive for too long, so I need to log in back again. That's what I will do right now, and see you guys in a second. Alrighty guys, it actually took me a while. I decided to, you know, look around a little bit more and found a better deal. I'm actually buying a Satoshi with this green kinda background. This is very important. I will show you why in a second. So we just confirm, and we should get our DAC anytime soon. As you can see, it's cheaper, and it also produces the same amount, 9% of the rarity, which is fine for me at least. So yeah. Now, what is very important, you need to purchase this. So let this load up, and we need to actually, you know, purchase a perch. Okay. Oh, it just popped up that I successfully bought my DAC. So you see, buy a new perch. That's what we will need. But first of all, we go into our DACs. We have our DAC Satoshi, right? We click on him. And now it will give us few options with this man, okay? Let's see. It needs to load again. It usually takes a while. So we need to be patient on that, but it should load up any second. Okay. So we have possibility to, as you can see, start an auction, rebirth it, or send it to someone, right? I'm described as an owner. You have the market price of this DAC, right? The production per month, his class, all that kind of stuff, the price that it was on, and you have his background, which in this case is green, okay? So if you go to my farm, if you go to empty purchase, where again we can let our DAC sit and earn money for us. Let this load up really quick again. Sorry guys, but well, it is what it is, okay? It takes a while, we need to be patient. We click on buy a perch here, okay? Now this is very important. As you remember, my Satoshi DAC has the green background. You need to buy a perch for your DAC which has the same background as your DAC, okay? So in my case, green background, as you can see for Satoshi here, boom. We need to buy a green perch. We click on buy, it costs 1 egg, so it's about 1000 bucks, right? We click on buy, then we'll need to sign the contract again, so again it will load up for a while. Okay, got it guys. Normally it works faster, I think it's just lagging a little bit today, but it's okay. So we have our perch here, boom, the green one, we click select a DAC, and then we can select our Satoshi here. And now guys, as we selected our DAC, in this case it was Satoshi, we just confirm it here. As you can see, there is again a little fee, which is just literally dust. It's, I guess, like 10 cents, maybe even not. We click on confirm, we can close that. It should be confirming now. We can go to all DACs, and then as it confirms, as you can see, you have successfully sent Satoshi to farming. You go into on farming. Just let me load that up again, and it will show us the statistics of the DAC that we have assigned. So that's basically how it works. And again, this is the cheap way, right guys? If you want, you can, for example, buy the breedable DACs, then you can breed them and get one more DAC. You can hatch the DACs, or you can hatch multiple DACs. It's all up to you, okay? It's all up to you. It shows you the production. This is how much egg I will make per month, 0.1. This is how much I have to claim, my referrals and my farm capitalization. This is how much it's worth, I think. So yeah. Then if I click on Satoshi, I will get his statistics again, all that kind of stuff. So again, guys, the page usually works faster. I think it's just something weird going on right now, but I want to shoot this video as soon as possible so you can get to know this beautiful, beautiful project. And yeah, that's basically it from me for today, guys. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about Wavesducks, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, you can smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and again, comment something positive. Thank you so much, see you in the next videos coming out soon.